Sometimes we use the passive in English when we don't know who did the action. My car was made in Japan. My phone has been stolen. This is sometimes specified in the sentence with by, but it is not as important as the action that has been carried out. It was sent by Paul yesterday. I was told by Tina. We often use the passive form to talk about the subject at the beginning of the sentence. The fruits are all grown by local farmers. This window should be replaced when you have time. Note, it is necessary to say, I was born and not I am born. I was born in 1983. This is correct. And this is, I am born in 1983 is wrong. She was born in the same year as me.